Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am giving you a 2-for-1 sticker book flip through of the Color Story sticker books. I have the Color Story Big and also the Color Story Mini. So I thought I'd do a double flip through for you guys because I feel like they have some of the similar stickers, but of course the size of the stickers are going to differ because one is a big to fit the big Happy Planner and one is a mini size to fit the mini size Happy Planner. So the big Happy Planner Color Story sticker book actually comes with 335 pieces of stickers. It is a 30-page sticker book, as well as this Color Story Mini also is a 30-page sticker book, but this sticker book is going to come with 448 pieces of stickers. So if you want to see a page-by-page flip through of both of these sticker books, then stick around. Alright, so that was a flip through of both the Color Story Big and the Color Story Mini in this new release. I feel like you can actually get one or the other because they both have some of the similar stickers in here, so you won't miss out if you end up getting a big and not the mini. But I think they will pair very well together if you want to layer stickers and use other stickers the same and kind of use them a certain way. So I think they'll pair very well if you do decide to get both of them. You can also just kind of collaborate them together to make beautiful spreads with these sticker books. So I hope you enjoyed this sticker book flip through of both of these stickers. I'm sorry if I went too fast in flipping through this. I couldn't really give you a close-up, but hopefully you guys were able to look and see the page clearly, at least to see what was on there. But I did want to do a double flip through so you can see that both of the sticker books are pretty similar. So if you got one and you didn't get the other, you're not really missing out because they both have some of the similar stickers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to, yes, give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here and you're joining me on this Happy Planner journey, then I hope you stick around by clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you know when I upload some upcoming videos here on my channel, because there are more to come. Thanks for watching.